So you've created some really cool conceptual art of whatever kind. Doesn't matter what it is. Doesn't matter what kind of a project it is, but you've created some really, really cool conceptual art and you need a description for it. Maybe you're going to put it on Pinterest. Maybe you're going to put it on Instagram to try to gain some more followers. So a social media thing could be anything. The thing is, you need a great description for it. And that's the tough part that I'm going to show you how I do for all of mine. All right. So here we go. All right, here we are over on ChatGPT. You can use Gemini, Perplexity, Claude. Doesn't matter what you use. I'm just going to use ChatGPT just to keep it simple. So what I'm going to do is first, I'm going to add the image. Okay, so let's grab my image here. Add from files and photos. Let's see where I put this thing. I probably still got it in downloads because I didn't move it yet. There we go. That's the one. I am going to use this. Now, this part you can do several different ways. You can either have it tell a story about this or just write a description. Let's write a description first and see what it says. All right, so, and I'm going to speed through this. All right, so acting as a social media visual expert, give me an interesting description of this image for my art site. So let's say that I sell art like this and I need something like this for the site for a good description. So let's see what it gives me here. I'm going to start this way first. Okay, decent long description here, right? I'm not going to read through the whole thing. You can pause and read this if you'd like to. I'm going to try it a little bit different way now. I'm going to do the storytelling one and see what we come up that way. Okay, here we go. All right, so I'm going to keep this simple right now. Now do similar, but I want you to tell a story using the image as the core of the story. Let's see what we get here. See if it comes up any different. Yes, it immediately starts out different. Look at how it starts this time. He had followed the canyon for 2 days before he realized the stone walls were not stone at all. And then it starts getting into it. All right. So very, very cool way to do it. Just a really quick little example. Actually, you know what? Let's do one more. Let's do one more. I will add one more little. Let's do it on this one. Okay, this is something I came up with recently. All right, and I'm going to say, and simple. And now, similar for this, using the storytelling process. See what we get here. I'm reading through as it's going here because this is pretty neat the way it's coming out. All right, so essentially, that's it. You start with an image, you give it a prompt, and you're going to have to play around with your prompts a little bit, but that's fine until you figure out the best process for writing the right fonts, right? I've kept them very simple. We got two different things. First, just a description for an art site, and then I said, I want to do the story. Personally, I like the storytelling better, but you do it however you want. This is Jeff. Thanks for watching, and come back because I'll be adding some more of these.